Here in the fair in the Philippines, the first game we try is the darts. But you can win bears, candies, food, and some other toys by popping the balloon using darts. It's good one. Second shot miss.
Tatlo.
I'm only targeting the yellow, as you can see.
Apat.
Miss.
Hindi.
I did win some candies. Now my friend's turn. He will play
Red lang yan ah.
darts. Win some. One shot.
Wow.
Second shot.
74.
And third shot. Bullseye.
Dalawang corner kaliwa, 36, 19, 74.
Perfect.
She's good, huh?
Perfect.
Perfect shots. 6/6 shots. We're watching our friends to enjoy the rides with his kids. I think they will be dizzy after this. That also my friend and co-worker. Venus Chow. They're enjoying the rides.
Parehagis mo lang pala.
This game is hard. We didn't win any.
Kawa ka naman. Okay, 10 bala.
This game is shooting with a toy gun. We will shoot the balls with 10 bullets. And this game, is 7.
Oh, tama na sa full. Ano yan?
Para
Ano to
shoot.
tayo? Kasa-kasa? Hindi, automatic yan. Boom, wala.
Oh,
Bakita mo yung bulag
Miss eh.
mamaya kung paano tumira. Bam! Bumabalik sa'yo. Bang! Bang!
as you can see here, I'm done with my warm-up. I almost hit all the balls with the last bullets.
Wala na. Last na bala na yan. Check mo.
Wala na yan. 10 na eh, dalawa yung missing.
8/10. The next one is my friend,
Wala talaga.
but he has a poor side. As you can see, target that one.
Ay, na yung baril niya.
But we enjoy this game.
Dapat magdala ka ng baril nito.
Hindi pa, marami ka pang bala. Wala na kasi yan eh. Hindi na beses ko naman, 2 beses, di man napunta. Par, pinagpatuloy pa natin, par.
Dapat gimigit na niya no, kasi dalawa eh.
Wala nang bala.
Dalawa pa. Isa na lang.
Dalam, sapul. Okay na yun. Ilan yan?
6/10. You win some candies.
Ano ba?
Oh, it's nuts.
Price.
Pili na lang sana ako, tapos ako na lang nagbigay dun.
Aboy! Abababila. Ababaliba.
Talo.
Panalo pa ako ng ano.
Ano ba lang sa bilang
Sa GR sa loob. Ayun.
Ring number 11. Pinamala 96. 7-9. 196.
That's our friend, the guy with the hoodie and drinking coke. He's secretly taking video of him.
Salong B. Maraman ko din. Masarap kung ulit-ulitin.
And that's how ends